My name is Morela Jimenez, and I'll be talking about the motor systems. The muscular system and the skeletal system. The muscular system and skeletal system play a vital role in the motor system. For example, support the body and make the movement of body parts possible. Without the movement of the rib cage, breathing would not occur. The exoskeleton. The skull consists of a cranium which protects the brain and the facial bones. Vertebral column spine extends from the skull to the sacrum tailbone. The ribcage, composed of the ribs and sternum breastbone, demonstrates the dual function of skeleton, providing protection and flexibility at the same time. A appendicular skeleton contains the bones of two girdles and their attached limbs. Pectoral girdle, which would be the hip. Lower limbs are specialized in strength. Pelvic girdle protects internal organs. Clavicle, collarbone, and scapula shoulder blade make up the shoulder girdle. The structure of a bone. When a bone is opened, the first thing one sees is the cavity that is bound on the sides of the side of the compound bone. Compound bones consist of many osteons, where other cells called osteocytes lie in small chambers in concrete circles around central canals. Osteoclasts secrete enzymes that digest the matrix of bone and release calcium into the bloodstream. Three types of muscle. The three types of muscle would be smooth muscle, which contains sheets of long spindle-shaped cells which each with a single nucleus. The cardiac muscle, a tissue contains branched chains of cells that interconnect, forming a lattice network. Skeletal muscle, or cells called muscle fibers, are also constructed. Skeletal muscle contraction. Skeletal muscle fibers contract, they get short, as you can see in the picture. The contractile portions of a muscle fiber are many parallel thread-like myofibers. The synovial joint, fairly movable. Synovial joint may include additional structures like menisci and bursae, add stability and act as shock absorbers. This can be seen in the GIF that Yuzuru, an ice skater, how he uses his synovial joints. Ball and socket joints. Located at the hips and shoulders are synovial joints that allow movement in all directions, even rotational movement. Synovial joints called hinge joints, which would be like your arms, where your elbows are at, and your knees. Joint disorders, bursitis, and torn meniscus. Rheumatoid arthritis, the deterioration of an overworked joint, constant compression and abbreviation continually damage articular cartilage, and eventually it softens, cracks, and in some areas wears away entirely. This can be found like on your knuckles. This can also happen on your wrists, and you can get arthritis if you crack your knuckles a lot. And why is exercising good? It improves muscular strength, muscular endurance, and flexibility. And it also helps warm up your joints. And it's really good when you use the muscular and skeleton.